Welcome back to the 8th match in round 2 of the 2019 season of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz. The scores currently have Friendship Primary on 23 points and St. John the Baptist Prep on 16 points. It's now time for Section 3, the final challenge. In this section, questions will be thrown open to both teams, with the first team buzzing in, earning the right to answer after being identified. Teams will earn 2 points for each correct answer, but lose 2 for each incorrect answer or if they answer before being identified. So teams with 4 minutes on the clock. We begin with regional affairs. This is a visual question. Please look at the monitor and identify which country's national flag is displayed. St. John.
St. Lucia. St. Lucia.
Correct. Sports. In netball, what does WD? Friendship.
Wing defense. Wing defense.
Stand for. Correct. Bible knowledge. Kezia was one of the daughters of which man in the Bible? Keziah was one of the daughters of which man in the Bible? Job. Science. Complete the statement correctly. Distillation is a method of purifying water by evaporation and friendship.
Condensation. Condensation.
Correct. English language. Spell scheme. St. John.
SCHEME.
Correct. Music. Is the Jamaican Monty Alexander best known as a drummer, a jazz pianist, or a choir director? St. John.
Pianist.
Correct. General knowledge. Addis Ababa is a capital of which friendship?
Ethiopia.
Correct. Addis Ababa. Television. This is a visual question. Please look at the monitor and identify this actress. The bell came first. Jennifer Lopez. Mathematics. What is 55 meters as a decimal of 1 kilometer?
What? 55 meters.
Friendship.
0.055.
Correct. Social studies. What is the next national holiday in Jamaica after Ash Wednesday? Friendship.
Easter.
Incorrect. Good Friday. Television. Bridget Mendler played the role of Teddy St. John.
High School Musical.
Bridget Mendler played the role of Teddy Duncan in which Disney original series? It's Good Luck Charlie. Incorrect. Sports. This is a visual question. Please look at the monitor and identify this former West Indies cricketer. Friendship.
George Henley.
Correct. Bible knowledge. Who was the wife of Hosea as recorded? St. John's?
Gomer.
As recorded in the Old Testament of the Bible? Correct. Science. What is the scientific name for your reflection seen in a mirror? St. John.
Image.
Correct. English language. Restate this sentence, changing the masculine to the feminine gender. The monk taught the village. St. John.
The nun taught the village.
The nun taught the village.
The nun taught the village children. Correct. Music. In which year did Jamaica's Tessan Chin win the singing competition The Voice in the United States? 2013. General knowledge. Sochi, St. Petersburg, and Volgograd are major cities in which European country? Russia. Local affairs. Which former Jamaican Prime Minister was injured in a motor vehicle accident in October? St. John?
PJ Patterson.
2019. Correct. Mathematics. What is 500 milliliters as a fraction of 2 liters in its lowest terms?
500 milliliters.
Friendship.
A quarter.
Correct. Social studies. In what year in the 18th century did the Taki slave revolt occur in St. Mary? (1760). Bible knowledge. What was the relationship between Obed and King David? St. John?
Grandfather and grandchild.
Correct. And that is the bell signifying the end of the round and the end of today's match. The final scores now read Friendship Primary on 33 points and St. John the Baptist Prep on 30 points. So congratulations to Friendship Primary and a very close game played by St. John the Baptist. Please stay with us. We'll wrap things up after these messages.